Hi everyone, this is Professor Carrie Cook, and I'm going to give you an overview of your quantitative reasoning course to give you an idea of what resources you have available in the course and also what type of things you'll be needing to work on. First stop for you should be the Start Here and Syllabus page, which is what you see on the video right now. On this page, it's a step-by-step way for you to get started in the course. You need to be sure that, number one, you read the syllabus. And then also after every step of this on the syllabus Start Here page, you are going to click Mark Reviewed so that if that option has been made available to you. Your syllabus comes in two parts. Please be sure to read both parts. One of them relates to the course content and one of them relates to the school policies, expectations, and so forth. Please read that. Notice this is a very concentrated course. It's a 7-week course, and so the expectation is you're working 25 hours for a week on this course, so please be sure you have the time to do that. Let your family know that you have to put aside a time. I mean, this is important stuff for you. Okay, be sure you understand the syllabus and then go to the place in by clicking this link, you will go to the place that says, I have understood my syllabus and read it. Step 3, you're going to do your introduction. Introduce yourself to us. Tell us about you. Tell us something about your experiences with online classes. We want to get to know each other. Remember, each week in the discussions, we post and then we comment to each other, to two other classmates each week. During that discussion so that we are getting to know one another and we're supporting one another through those discussions. Your course materials. On the menu, you will find a place where you can access your course materials right here in Blackboard. You can see the information here about that. There is a link. You'll be getting a code to the MyMathLab program, and this is an opt-in situation, and so you'll be able to take the code and you will be able to paste it right directly into MyMathLab right here through Blackboard. All the instructions are posted for you. Please be sure you make the time every week to work on the course. Notice it says create a schedule for yourself. That's so important because waiting till the last minute to do your homework is not going to be a good way to be successful. Work on it throughout the week. Make a schedule for yourself that will work for you. Be sure to get familiar with your course as we're talking here. Click around. Don't be afraid to click. Look around. Read the announcements. Read all this on the Start Here page. The course content is where you find all your required materials that you need, all your information, what to do each week. There's a folder for each week that you'll click into. The discussion board is there. You will have assignments every week in the discussion board. Please feel free to click the instructor contact and you'll be able to contact your instructor through email. And then of course your grades. You can review your grades of what you've gotten and any feedback from your instructor. That's all in My Grades. And finally, a couple other things. The documents that you post, when you post for projects, they should be in Word or Excel format for the various parts of the projects that we do. So please be sure you use that. And also you do have Microsoft 365 available to you, so be sure to access that. Let me give you a couple other tips about the course. Over on the left, let's walk to a couple of places. So, course materials. This is where you get instructions on how to get your course materials. And then you have inclusive access. This is where it will launch. You'll see eCampus. And this is where you'll grab your course materials. Let me jump back in here. Course content. Every week you have course content in a folder marked with the dates. You have weekly due dates. So every week there'll be an overview of what we're learning. There's a list of required readings and videos. These are all found within the MyMathLab platform, and I have posted a video in this same area for you that walks you through how to use MyMathLab and find all these videos and things. So This is what takes the time, really, is that you want to make sure you're preparing and watching. The videos are not long, but they certainly do walk you through many examples. So take notes on the videos and work through those. Also within the folder, you'll find a link to each week's discussion. The discussion has information about what the post should be regarding. You really need to read your textbook each week and use information from the text in your posts, and also make sure that you're responding to 2 other students every week in the discussion. Every week you have some ungraded skills review in my math lab, which helps to build your math skills and will help you be more successful with the coursework. And then there's a list of graded practice problems each week, and then a test each week. Now, as we work through the course, I'll go to a different folder here for you. We will start working on projects. So in week 2, you'll see your first project information. There are several projects in the course, and they give you a chance to put the material into practice and apply it. So those projects are also due during those weeks. Notice here, weeks 2 and 3 project, you're going to be planning a vacation. So you're going to start it in week 2 and then actually submit it in week 3. So make sure you read through and you ask questions if you're not sure what to do. So be sure you stay on top of it. The people who do all the work are the people who are successful and make it through the course. I encourage you to reach out to me with questions at any time, and I'm happy to assist you.